children, today let's start with chapter number 7, Ashoka and the Mauryan Empire. So in this chapter, we will study about Ashoka and the Mauryan Empire. And in 6th century, India saw a rise of large territorial states, जिसको हम महाजनपदास कहते हैं, right? The most powerful was Mauryan Empire, which was centered in Magad. And the lion you see on the currency notes and coin today, it's about long history, right? They are known as a lion capital Ashoka. Like study about Mauryan Empire. ये आपका first or the most powerful empire है. And it was founded by Chandragupta Maurya. This empire was enormous and they had different parts ruled variously. It includes cities like Takshila, Ujjain and Pataliputra, which was its capital. Takshila was crucial gateway of Northwest Central Asia, and some part of Central India had people to live in forest. पता है जो लोग थे सेंट्रल इंडिया में वो फॉरेस्ट में रहते थे, फ्रूट्स कलेक्ट करते थे, हंटिंग करते थे एनिमल्स की. नाउ डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज वाज स्पोकन इन डिफरेंट पार्ट एंड द पीपल दे probably they ate different foods and they wore various clothes as well as. Now we have Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya overthrew a Nanda dynasty to establish his rule over 2300 years. Under his leadership, what happened? He extremely rapidly expanded and he had wise advisor जिसका नाम था चाणक्य, also known as Kautilya, and it expanded his empire from Afghanistan in the west to Assam in the east and from Kashmir in the north to Karnataka in the south. Right after him, son Bindusar took over and established family relations with the Greeks, Syrians and Egyptians. Now administration, if we talk about administration, so here you can see the empire was under the emperor control. He appointed minister to help him govern them. These officials collected taxes from farmers, herders, craftsmen, traders in villages and towns. Officials also had power to punish those who disobeyed, and most officials they received their salary. So there were also significant provinces like Takshila and Ujjain, vast area between the center. और जो Mauryan empire थे, they levied taxes and tribute on resources, roads हो गया, river, इन पे taxes लगाया जाता था, right? और जो भी forest produce करा जाता था, like honey, timber, wax and animals like elephant to the Mauryan. Now Ashoka. Ashoka is known as Ashoka the Great, and he was one of the greatest emperor and third king of the Mauryan dynasty. His empire जो था वो आपका अफगानिस्तान वेस्ट से बांग्लादेश इन द ईस्ट तक वो करता है, जो आपके ऑलमोस्ट और एंटायर इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट को क्या करता है, कवर करता है. जैसे केरला हो गया, तमिलनाडु हो. मोस्ट ऑफ हिज इंस्क्रिप्शन वर इन प्राकृत एंड दे वर रिटन इन ब्राह्मी. कौन सा स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा है? ब्राह्मी. Now Kalinga War. The turning point in Ashoka life was the last military campaign against Kalinga. Ancient name of coastal Odisha. इससे क्या हुआ आपका? Immense destruction and loss of thousands of lives. And the horrors of war deeply distribute Ashoka. जिससे क्या हुआ? He renounced violence and rest of his life and turned Buddha. और वो किसमें टर्न हो गए? Buddhism. Now we have Ashoka Dhamma. After converting in Buddhism, Ashoka begins spreading the teaching. इन्होंने क्या करा? जो आपके बुद्धिज्म की टीचिंग थी उसको स्प्रेड करा एंड दीज एडिक्ट्स वर इंक्रेव्ड ऑन रॉक्स ऑन पिलर्स ऑफ प्राकृत एंड ब्राह्मणिस के. मेल प्रिंसिपल क्या था? लिव इन पीस एंड हार्मनी, शो टॉलरेंस टू ऑल, एब्स्टेन फ्रॉम वायलेंस इन एनी फॉर्म एंड अवॉइड एनिमल सेक्रीफाइस. किसी भी तरीके का एनिमल सेक्रीफाइस नहीं पाए. Ashoka also introduced the concept of paternal kinship, appointing Dhamma Mahatmas to promote Dhamma and oversee welfare activities, building roads, rest houses and planting trees. He also arranged for the medical treatment of humans and animals. Right? After Ashoka death, managing such a vast empire became difficult and the state grew financially weak and province began to disintegrate. और वो क्या हो गया? Disintegrate होना start. धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ? टूटना शुरू हुआ. This was all about in this chapter. I have told about Ashoka. Hope you understood the Ashoka the Great. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.